Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. It's been pouring down rain today. What time is it? It's almost 1 o'clock here in the afternoon. We had thunderstorms all last night. It was thundering so hard that it actually was shaking the house. Then the lightning flashed in the night sky and the rain. I know somebody's basements are flooded. We don't have a basement anymore. Oh my goodness, I got on this Morphe eyeshadow and it is vivid, y'all. I'm gonna rock it anyway. I use up all my stuff. But anyway, I have a Google Express haul unboxing. Okay, stay tuned. See all these packages and boxes on this table. Okay. This is the first box that came, the very first thing I ordered. Seems like a waste. They put one thing in a box. But I'm going to use the box over. Put that over there. That. Y'all know what toilet tissue is. And this is misleading. Why they put an 8 on the package and it's 4 rows in here? They act like it's double rows. That's misleading. And here's another box of one item. Some Dial Silk and Magnolia body wash. Let me open this one. Should have my scissors. I'll open the box. Here's another box. And all this stuff I'm opening right now are the free or almost free items. And by almost free, I mean like $2 and less. And I still got more stuff coming. Okay, now. Oh. Jump at my house. Oh. Got some Mama Cetus breading mix. Y'all know I fix a lot of chicken. I saw this on the website, so let me try it. We put 3 things in here. We got me some e.l.f. cream eyeliner. I think I'll do better at eyelining with a cream and a brush. And I got me some e.l.f. mascara. Okay. Oh, this is kind of heavy. My daughter had her Google Express stuff come here. So she picked it up yesterday. It was a big box. It was she got her child 3 or 4 juice boxes. The 10-pack juice boxes. She said she paid $2 and something for 4 of them. With the $10 that they give you. Dawn dishwashing liquid, and they packaged it up nicely so it don't spill. And they sealed this body wash up so it doesn't spill. Okay. This is stuff I use anyway. I'll just pull it. No. Just the item. Oh, some big razors. Nice. So I guess this is one of the free items. This is probably one of the free items. I didn't have to pay anything. Some things I paid 35 cents for. That's with that $10 credit that they give us. And like I said, I'm going to leave my code again. It's good till, I think, the end of this month. It's coming up soon. I got these detergent pods that you throw in the washing machine. So how many is in here? 32 in here. Okay. I still got more free or almost free stuff coming, but I actually bought something using Google Express. I didn't use their credit on this. It's just something that I use anyway. I would have bought at the store anyway, but you spend a certain amount of money and it's free shipping. Okay, yeah. I use all this bubble wrap for my Poshmark. Look what I got, y'all. Big box of Kentucky Colonel. This is some good chicken breading. Yes. And the big thing of Viva paper towels. I like Viva paper towels. A lot. That's all for that box. Oh, no, it ain't. And I got me the foundation makeup I use all the time. Let's see if they got the color right. Yes. I use the Rimmel Stay Matte foundation in the color Warm Caramel. That's what I wear. There's another big box. I know my mailman's probably sick of me. Oh, this one is heavy. I can't pick it up. Got up this morning, all these boxes were in front of my door on the front porch. Sometimes the dumb ones, they put the big boxes right in front of the door. So we can't even open the door. We have to actually go out the back door to go around to the front to get the packages. Okay, wow. Big cottonelle. Look at that. That's the big one. 36 double rolls. They got 106 on here. I like the cottonelle. I think that's it for this haul. But I do have more stuff coming. So, I like shopping Google Express. If somebody's gonna bring it to my door, then yeah, buddy. So, let's see. Very nice. Okay, now, this and this is what I actually paid for. The other stuff was free or almost free. Pretty nice, huh? Okay. If y'all like this Google Express unboxing, then please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to leave my Google Express code in the description box. So, if you use the code, we'll both get a $10 credit. So we can buy something free or almost free if you choose something that's under $5. That way your free $10 will cover your shipping. They usually charge $5.99 for shipping. So you need something that's going to cover your shipping. Okay? So, and then you can get your own code, and you can share your code with somebody, and whenever somebody uses your code, then you'll get another $10 credit to shop. But you can't put all them credits together and have one big old shopping party. They only let you use one code at a time per item. Okay. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye. Every goodbye ain't gone, y'all. Y'all know me. I failed to thank all of my Miss B's honeys. I want to thank you all for using my code. Because I couldn't get all this stuff, and I still got stuff coming. Thank you so much for using my code. And like I said, you got your own code now. So share your code with somebody. And once you share that code and they use that code, they can only use it one time. I tried to use somebody else's code a couple times. They didn't let me. So thanks again. Bye.